Sweet. Okay. Greg, Easy Flex. What are we looking at here?
Hey, how you doing? So we're looking.
Jump right back into it. Yeah.
So we're looking at the EasyFlex Ultra Performance Hose. This is a product that EasyFlex came out with about 2 years ago.
Okay.
So this is their new premium product. Now, what's really cool about this product, we'll just start at the inlet here.
Yep.
We've got options for a 1-inch thread or an 1.25-inch groove.
Okay.
Now, on the drop, it comes standard with a 6-inch drop, but there are short elbow, long elbow options, as well as longer drop options here. Now, the coolest part is the fact that we're using an 1.25-inch braided corrugated hose
Yep.
For this entire assembly.
What are the benefits of using an 1.25-inch compared to the 1 inch? Or smaller, I've seen smaller ones.
There are smaller ones
Yeah.
out there. Now, the problem with the smaller ones is your equivalent length and your friction loss is just so high.
Yeah.
Now, with the 1.25-inch hose, with a UL listing at 48 inches, EasyFlex has this listed at 19 feet.
So most long, I mean,
In the
36
30s,
inches, you get into
31,
30s, yeah,
35,
with a
yeah.
shorter
Absolutely.
hose.
Absolutely. Now, with FM, it gets even crazier.
Okay.
So with a 36 and a 48-inch hose, you're sitting around 3.5 to 6.9 feet of equivalent length. For the same length of a hard arm over,
Yeah.
piped in, it's less than a hard arm over, which is about 7 feet or 8 feet.
So that, I mean, I understand from a contractor standpoint why you would want to do that, but how were they able to do that?
How are they able to do that? It's really here in the hose. It's a larger hose, which
Okay.
is where you lose a lot of your equivalent length.
Sure.
If you're dealing with a smaller diameter.
Yep.
So you can drive more flow through this larger hose.
Awesome. So the benefits of this setup with this bracket, now this bracket, I know we were talking a little bit about it earlier, does a lot of different things. It's not just for T-bar grid.
Yeah,
et
you
cetera.
can. Of course, you use it for T-bar. That's the primary application. It's
Yep.
probably 90% of the installations out there. You can use it for wood or steel. You can change the length or the position of the legs here.
Yep.
Especially if you have a stubborn grid that's sitting at about 23.5 or 24.25.
Sure.
We've all been there. We've
Yep.
all seen it.
Yeah.
So we've got that. We also have a couple different options out there for hard lid and steel studs specifically. So we've got some custom options out there. Depending on what a contractor runs into, EasyFlex has a solution for every type of wood framing or a T-bar out there.
Okay, show me a little bit about the actual installation.
So this installation is very, very quick. So let me take this apart. So this hub, it can slide all the way up and down the crossbar here. Once you find the center position, there is an indicator for it. You can drop it in. And all you have to do is latch it closed. And
the
you can walk
ratcheting.
away.
What was the ratcheting that we just heard?
What was that ratcheting? It's part of this that locks it in place. Now, the really nice feature here is it's easy to take apart, but not so easy that somebody does it accidentally.
Right, yeah,
So
yeah,
it's got some redundancy built in. So
Okay.
you can see this looks like a grenade pin. We don't pull it. What we're going to do is push it
Okay.
at the same time we push the lever. And then
Okay.
releases, and now you can reposition your head where you need to, especially if you didn't get it in the right position the first time.
Child safety lock on.
Absolutely. Yes.
These are what we use at Viking for
So
distribution,
through
available through
SupplyNet, we
Yep.
will have access to the EasyFlex hose and the EasyFlex team supporting us behind the scenes.
Awesome. Love it.
Absolutely.
Okay.
You want